everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the top 30 Java exception handling MCQs, perfect for interviews, coding round, and quick revision. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. Which class is the superclass of all exceptions in Java? Options are error, exception, throwable, and runtime exception. Option C is correct. Throwable is a superclass of both error and exception. What is an exception in Java? Options are compilation error, runtime unexpected event, logical error, and compiler warning. Option B is correct. An exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of a program during execution. Which keyword is used to handle exception in Java? Options are handle, try, catch, and throws. Option C is correct. Catch works with try to handle exception. What happens if an exception is not caught? Options are program continues normally, program terminates, exception is ignored, and code skips the error line. Option B is correct. Uncaught exception terminates the program. Which block is always executed whether an exception occurs or not? Options are try, catch, finally, and throw. Option C is correct. Finally always executes, typically used for cleanup code. Which keyword is used to throw an exception manually? Options are throws, throw, catch, and error. Option B is correct. Throw explicitly throws an exception object. Which keyword is used to declare an exception in the method signature? Options are throw, throws, try, and catch. Option B is correct. Throws declares exception a method may throw. Which statement is true about throws keyword? Options are used to declare multiple exceptions, used to throw only one exception, used inside catch block, and used to suppress exception. Option A is correct. Throws declares one or more exception in a method signature. Which exception is thrown when dividing by 0 in integers? Options are arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, and IO exception. Option A is correct. Integer division by 0 throws arithmetic exception. Can a try block be used without a catch block? Options are no, yes with finally, yes always, and only inside loops. Option B is correct. A try can be followed by finally without catch. Which method returns the description of an exception? Options are get exception, get message, print stack trace, and toString. Option B is correct. Get message returns the detailed message of an exception. Which method prints the complete exception details? Options are get message, print stack trace, show error, and display exception. Option B is correct. Print stack trace prints exception name, message, and stack trace. Which exception occurs when accessing an array out of bounds? Options are index out of bound exception, array store exception, null pointer exception, and arithmetic exception. Option A is correct. Accessing invalid index throws index out of bound exception. Which is the parent of all unchecked exception? Options are exception, throwable, runtime exception, and error. Option C is correct. All unchecked exception extends runtime exception. What will happen if both catch and finally throw exceptions? Options are catch exception is propagated, finally exception is propagated, both are propagated, and program ignores both. Option D is correct. Exception from finally overrides the catch exception. Which block must follow a try block if finally is not used? Options are catch, throw, throws, and error. Option A is correct. If finally is not used, a try must be followed by at least one catch block. Which keyword is used to create a custom exception in Java? Options are extends, implements, throws, and super. Option A is correct. To create a custom exception, extend exception or runtime exception. Which exception occurs when null is used where an object is required? Options are null pointer exception, illegal argument exception, IO exception, and runtime exception. Option A is correct. Null pointer exception occurs when accessing method or fields on null. Can finally block be escaped? Options are no, yes if system.exist is called, yes always, and only if catch is present. Option B is correct. Calling system.exit exist before finally is executed. Which of these is a checked exception? Options are IO exception, null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, and number format exception. Option A is correct. Checked exception must be declared or handled. Which package contains the exception class? Options are java.util, java.lang, java.io, and java.exception. Option B is correct. Java.lang contains core classes like exception. Can constructor throw exceptions? Options are no, yes, only unchecked exception, and only checked exception. Option B is correct. Constructors can throw both checked and unchecked exception. Which block should be used for resource closing in Java 7 Plus? Options are catch, finally, try with resources, and throws. Option C is correct. Try with resources auto closes resources implementing auto closable. Which of these is not an error type? Options are out of memory error, stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and arithmetic exception. Option D is correct. Arithmetic exception is an exception, not an error. Which exception is thrown by the JVM when the JVM runs out of memory? Options are out of memory error, stack overflow error, arithmetic exception, and IO exception. Option A is correct. JVM throws out of memory error when memory allocation fails. Which is the order of a catch block? Options are specific to general, general to specific, any order, and depends on JVM. Option A is correct. Specific exception must be caught before general one. Can try with resources be used without catch or finally? Options are no, yes, only in loops, and only in constructors. Option B is correct. It can be used alone since resource auto closes. What happens if an exception is thrown inside a static block? Options are ignored, compile time error, exception in initializer error, and becomes runtime exception. Option C is correct. If a static initializer throws an exception, it's wrapped in a exception in initializer error and stop the initialization. Can we catch an error in Java? Options are no, yes, only runtime error, and only stack overflow error. Option B is correct. Errors can be caught but are generally not recommended to handle. Which exception is thrown by class.forName? Options are no class def found error, class not found exception, illegal argument exception, and instantiation exception. Option B is correct. Class.forName throws class not found exception if class is not found. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.